Hey guys, this is No Tyler TV episode 7.
You got 7 dogs.
7 dogs. Makes sense. Episode 7. Get it? Get it? Get it? Get it? Yeah, it's not really a joke. Yeah, we got full diamond tools, he got diamond boots, we enchanted our chest plates, blah blah blah. So, yeah. You want to see what I've got in here? If you remember, like my dog from last episode, they've multiplied. Benji, that is my dog. These are all the new dogs.
And we
Meet
got a
Bone.
puppy.
Meet Bune, meet Tack, meet the nameless ones. Right, I think our puppy's grown up. Our little puppy's grown up.
Where?
I think it's this one. I think it's this one.
Yeah, it's grown up.
Our little puppy's all grown up. Get back in, get back in. So, by looking at the title, we're going to be doing the interior of that little bit of our house, the doghouse.
Where should we go? No cider.
Well, to the flower field.
Yeah.
Now, for those of you who don't know what the flower field is, because you haven't seen that episode, it's not really called a flower field. I think it's called, what's it called? Have we ever shown you the flower field? No, I wonder if we've ever shown you the flower field. Okay.
Wait.
I'm just trying something. Can you get dyes? Yes. Oh, right. So what colour should the carpet be in the doghouse? I have no idea. Yellow?
Maybe.
So-
I'm gonna get one of the colours pink of our dog.
Okay, I'm just gonna make a bunch of dye. Yes, I'm going.
We already have a yellow.
That's not what the dye's for. I'm gonna make some carpet.
Oh yeah.
But I do need some iron.
That's never going to.
Well, we are going to go to the Nether eventually. We have to.
Yeah.
But not today. We died twice last time we went to the Nether, if I can recall properly, which I
We
probably.
also have some white.
So I'm going to dye. First, I need some iron ore, and then I'm going to dye some sheep. So
Is that the ocean?
no, this is just a lake. Perfect fishing station. And I'm not sure if we've made a video of the flower field before. I don't think we have. Let's just say there's lots of stuff in this flower field. We can get all the dyes.
Can I get like Can I get the orange?
So the orange tulips? Sure.
Only one?
There's the iron ore. Trying to calculate my best move. If I dig down on this exact block, I will get down. See? What did I tell you? Worked like a charm. I think we found diamonds in that ravine before. My memory's a bit vague of it. Now's to make a furnace.
Are you actually gonna survive down there?
I'm not gonna be here forever. I just need to get some shears so I can get like the maximum amount of wool. Okay, I'm back. Put that there. Now to get the coal.
Imagine a noob in Minecraft
Said we need
said
coal.
to a pro, marry me, and then someone said, no, wait, Jose, and then he just put him in lava.
Well, I'll be back when my iron's spilled. Okay, we've decided we're going. I'm just gonna. Since I don't need this yellow dye anymore, it's going. Oh, what? Waste a dye with me. Jump into a pit like an idiot. Sounds like something I would do. But and if okay, I think pink tulips give you pink dye.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Okay, so that's exactly what mine. All the pink tulips. Then I put them in your crafting, and you can turn them into a pink dye. And then we're going to dye some sheep into be that colour. And then we're going to shear them, and then we can get the. And then we can use the wool to make carpet. This is a code pink, and we need all the pink tulips. And then you can go up to a sheep, dye it, and then shear it with your shears, and you'll get pink wool, and then they'll just regrow their wool. Because I think once they're dyed, they won't despawn. So yeah, so we can just like get an infinite amount of pink wool. We just gotta trap some sheep.
I got about 17.
Well, this video is also turning out to be making a wool farm. Because we're gonna trap some sheep in a penned off area. I don't know how we're gonna do it. Well, we have leads, so that's probably how we're gonna do it. We're probably gonna have to make some wheat. Okay, do you think we've got enough pink dye? I got 26. That should be enough.
Yeah. Wait for me.
Okay. Now it's got to make a penned off area to put some sheep. Yeah, we're probably gonna like expand our like home base over there to be like to make like turn this into like our fishing station / harbour. Because I think there's a river that goes out to the sea.
Yeah. Imagine you could dye a cow.
That'd be very strange. So would the cow would be very confused.
Like,
We're back in business. Let's make a bunch of fence. Let's make a gate. Who's the opposite of a fence? Okay, I think we've got enough to make a fenced off area. Make sure it's all glass. Doesn't need to be too big or too... Two, 1, 2. Problematic. What do I need more of? Dark oak. Luckily, I have quite a. Luckily. Wait, have you dyed some sheep?
only one. I don't know what you meant.
I meant don't dye sheep until like we can get them into the pen. And there's a way you can get sheep into a pen. This does. You can also use a lead.
I really wanted that.
I can give it to you. I know a super secret tactic way of getting animals in. You can use a lead in. It's clever. Use that. I can also get fence. I can also get a gate. Put that in there. I'll break this block. I'll take out my fence. Place it down. It's going to be very hard to get sheep through there, so We're going to get a few dirt. I don't need a few dirt. I've already got loads. And then you place it all along the back. This will mean the sheep can get in, but they can't get out. You can lead sheep through, and it means they can get in, but it means they can't get out. It's a foolproof plan. Unless, I don't know, the sheep decides to not go.
It's getting night time.
No, it's not.
It is.
Well, we've got some sheep. I'd call this a success. Wouldn't you, Mr. Sheep?
It's just
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yes, you. Notice me. We need to keep that there. We need to get more pink sheep. Just quickly run through it.
I just downloads to let's
You can make it into the carpet to fix the interior of the doghouse.
Yeah.
I'll get some more sheep. I'm sorry to sheep everywhere, but I'm hungry.
found any.
No such luck.
That one only eats. The other one doesn't.
What kind of dye does the lily of the valley make? Oh, wait. Nice. I don't want to go too deep into the forest searching for sheep, because then it's just going to be a nightmare to get me out. Ho ho ho! You sheep have saved me. Oh, by the way, Havenoid, there's a dog. There's like a wolf in the woods.
Okay.
Do you think you have enough bones for it?
I think so.
Depends how hungry the dog is. I've got 2 more pink sheep on the rail.
I couldn't get the dog.
Okay, well, we're staying up all night tonight killing skeletons.
Yeah.
Follow me. Follow me, sheepies. You're going to make a nice carpet. And we're not going to kill you for the carpet. No, no, no. We love our sheep. We're making the first farm of our world. Come on, get in. Okay, I've got 2 more sheep on the rail for you. Hup, hup. Da-da. Quickly one out. Quickly one out. They make a nice carpet, don't they? How's the interior of the doghouse doing? Oh no, we don't have any more carpet. See if I can shovel the dogs onto the carpet. Stay on the carpet. You slide off. Bones. Bony, bony.
It's just bone.
I can dye one of the colours white, and if anyone wants. Yeah, so I'm trying to shovel the dogs onto the existing onto the existing carpet. It may take a while to get the puppy. Wait, this isn't the puppy. I can get it in. I just have to bust the block. Onto the carpet you shall be. Yes, you're on the carpet. You're staying on the carpet. Well, we've got our first sheep farm. Wool. And more wool will come in from this sheep farm. And we'll re-dye you guys eventually.
Can I share them?
Okay. Don't worry, we'll dye you a different colour eventually. Eventually.
There. Got the carpet done.
Yes. Now we got to put some decorations in, doggies. I like the pink, you know?
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna put carpet on to go over the front. I think it just looks nice.
Can I share?
Sure. It would just be nice to have like carpet going down the front. Maybe we could get some red as well, like pink, like in a diagonal pattern, like pink, like pink, 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 pink. So it'd be pink here,
I'm gonna
here,
get them magenta.
here, then red, red. Yeah, then we could have like pink and magenta. So how have you dyed the magenta?
No?
We need to get enough pink wool first. We need to Magnus.
Yeah.
We need to get enough pink wool to go all the way down here, and then we can dye magenta. Okay?
Okay. Also the doghouse.
You know what, I'm gonna get rid of those towers once and for all today. They're very annoying. They've got to go.
Should they be around like this as well?
Pardon?
Around here?
Sure. How high is this tower? Oh, got it. I don't like these towers, they look ugly.
Did you say?
I want to get rid of those towers on the... Okay, I'm going to make a way up onto the roof.
Okay.
But we are going to have to use a trapdoor. Because if we don't... Wait, no. You can't place ladders on semi-solid blocks. I forgot about that. So it can't... So way up onto the roof just can't go there. Minor detail. Minor detail is me just misplaced the block. So if I place 2 ladders there, and then if I make a trapdoor, you make 2 trapdoors with 1. Now I can place down the trapdoor.
To dye other sheep, you need a white wool sheep.
Wait, do you have magenta dye?
Yeah.
Wait, I think I can dye them white. I got white dye. Yeah, I've got a white. I've got
Magenta.
Why do you try dyeing? Oh, I think I know. I think they need to have their wool to be dyed. I think they need to be walling. Why are they trying dyeing these guys magenta? Yeah, I think they just need to have their wool on. So Magna, I mean Humanoid.
Yeah.
Can I make the carpet out of that wool, please? Please. Okay, I'm going to do some breaking, so you can do some placing. So if we can put a magenta carpet, like where I've broken the pink carpet, I just think it'd look cool. I think it'd look cool if I do that. If we do that. It's like where I've broken... Well... Whoa, I did not mean to break...
So should we stay up to get bones?
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna... Hey, why don't you make some carpet and like put it in like those...
Okay.
Even with thorns and my chest plate, I'm not feeling particularly confident. Let's just place down the carpet and get to bed. Oh wait. No, not... No such luck, I'm going to fight an Enderman. Come on, dig.
Pillagers. I think they hear the racket.
Wait, there were pillagers?
Yeah.
Did you kill them?
No,
Where are they?
I don't know. I think they despawned.
It's the thing about the villagers. Once they've spawned in, then they never despawn.
We can go to sleep. It's gonna be just too dangerous.
Oh, my torch is gone. Like, what the?
You better go to sleep. Go.
I can't.
Why?
There's mobs too close to my bed. Okay, I think I can sleep now. I need a new shield. My shield's almost dead. Where are those pesky villagers? Gunpowder.
Uh-oh, they're escaping. No.
You shouldn't have left the gate open. Video. Well guys, that pretty much ends off the video. I hope you liked this one. It's been quite eventful. And we'll see you guys next. Sorry. No, I didn't mean to hit you. You got in my way. I'll see you guys next time.